having a beautiful guitar melody and also having some nice vocal samples on your production, just gives you, that beautiful and amazing vibe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually create beautiful guitar melodies and also layering it with some vocal samples, to create an amazing vibe. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. First thing I'm gonna do, and I always do, is to set up my tempo. I'm just gonna be using a tempo of 93 bpm. I'm gonna be making something swingy, and let's just hear what 93 bpm sounds like. I have my metronome turned on. All right, so we have Ilya Ifemo's guitar to open up, and I'm just gonna create my first pattern. All right, so we're gonna be working on the key of E, and this is E over here. So the first thing I'm gonna be working on is the progression, and I'm gonna be moving from the 2 to the 6 to the 3. So these are minor chords, but minor chords are always really nice on guitar. I really love minor chords, so that's why I always just try to use minor chords in almost all my videos. Just putting those notes, then to our C sharp and our E. So this is just our F sharp minor 7th. So we're gonna go over to the 6, and for the 6, it's our C sharp minor. So I'm just gonna put that C sharp minor, yeah, something like this, our C sharp minor 7th. Then the same thing again, the same chord, C sharp minor. Then we go to our 3. So I'm just gonna copy this and just move it over to our 3. All right, so the first step is just to take your middle note an octave higher, just to create that open chord progression kind of vibe, and that sounds really interesting. So to get that sounds like this. Nice. So the next thing is just to strum it. So once you've taken the middle note up, every other thing is just strumming the chord and adding some beautiful note in between, just to create those melodies. All right, so what I'm going to do is just take these notes. We've done this a couple of times, so by now you should be very familiar with it. Just strum it, and yeah. So together it sounds, and I think I'll have this. Let's see what that sounds like now. Have something like this. Let's put this note here. Just like a, what is it called, a passing note to this melody. So it comes like this. And play this note again. And I think I can put this note here. Have. So nice. We've created some nice melody. So the same thing we just do for this. You can decide to create the same melody with this, but for me, I'm just gonna make it short. Yeah, just short, something like this. Yeah. Yeah, then just putting this note here. We've created the melody that I need. Just put these other ones here too. The same thing. So guys, it's just all about strumming your notes, and you have some nice guitar melodies. Yeah, then let's put another note. I think you have something like this. Yeah, then just play around with this also. Let's shift this. Yeah, I think I like everything we have here. Yeah, so I think I like everything. It's sounding really nice, but it's missing that realistic feel. When you're playing your guitar, there's this hand movement you're definitely gonna feel. And why I like this guitar is because it has some nice articulations which I can just put. So I'm gonna be adding some articulations, and those articulations basically just gives it that realistic feel. And I think I think the articulations are around here. Let's see what this. Yeah, let's see what this sounds like. Let's move this here. I think. Yeah, so you can hear that hand movement right now as I'm playing it. Yeah, nice. I think I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. let's see. Nice. I love the whole melody, and I think I'm done with my guitar. So what I can do is just put it, on the playlist and add in some effect. And in terms of the effects I'm gonna be using Guitar Rig. Yeah, then add in some nice reverb. But you know what, I'm just gonna add in a normal reverb, fruity reverb. Nice. We've created some nice, beautiful guitar melody in no time. The next thing I like putting is my vocal sample, because trust me, in order to make some beautiful, amazing, beats, you need like some nice guitar and vocal samples. Trust me, if you can use these two elements in your beat, it's really gonna sound interesting, and artists will wanna vibe on it. Yeah, I think I like this vocal. I'm just gonna drag it in, and this vocal is on the tempo of 70, so I'm just gonna stretch everything. I think there should be like 8 bars. So I'm just going to stretch it to 8 bars, and this is on the key of E minor. I know we are playing on the key of C sharp minor. So all I just need to do is pitch this 300 cent downward, and we should have something nice. Let's see. Yeah, this is amazing. This vocal is amazing, but I think I'm going to use the second part, and this is what it sounds like. Send this to my mixer, and guys, don't tell me now, we already have like a nice vibe. This is already amazing. Adding some, I'm just gonna add in some reverb so it fits in, it fits in with the guitar. So that will just drop a nice pack. You guys should go check out that pack. That pack is amazing. I actually got the pack for myself, so it has some nice percussion, some nice drum groove. Yeah, I like this percussion. Let's drag it in and let's put it with the drum groove. We have a vibe, guys. We have a fire vibe, man. Yeah, nice. So I'm just gonna drag this in. We have two, So what I can do, I'm gonna let's make this unique. Yeah, so it sounds like this. What I'm gonna do is just edit it and change the sample rate. I just like to change the sample rate to give it like some lo-fi kind of feel. So let's change the sample rate to 1000, resample, accept it, and we have something new. So we can start with our vocals and this like this. Bring it in. Nice too. So let's see. Yeah, so I think from this part I also want the drums, the kick coming. Our kick just have some. So I can add in some congas. Let's see the congas we have on this pack. Yeah, let's go with this conga. Yeah, so for the conga, just let's add on that conga. Yeah, I think I'll go with that. Yeah, let's go with conga too. Yeah, so let's say with the hearts, you know. So I think we have like a vibe. Yeah, something like that. I think I want to just start it from the beginning. So let's listen to the drum vibe and the melody. So these drums. Yeah, so for the percussion, so I just want to take out, you know, some of the lows. Hey, vibe. You have you know that I always have my soft clipper now, you know, my soft clipper. It's always gonna be present on my master. So you can add up this melody also. Maybe have a vibe. So let's just listen from the top. You know, we just created like an 8-bar, you know, vibe. But trust me, this is a fire. This is a fire vibe. You know, you can also just play around with your velocity, you know, just to give it. But you know, for me, I just like having everything on the same velocity, you know. But you can actually just play around, you know, with the notes on your velocity. It might sound, you know, different and amazing, you know. And like I said, guys, adding vocals to your production, you know, just gives it that beautiful and amazing feel. So, you know, without the vocal on this, it's gonna just sound. But you know, with your vocal now on it, you know. Yeah, but this is an amazing vibe. I don't want the video to be as long as, you know, to be too long, but you know, you guys have gotten the idea on how you can actually just create some nice and beautiful guitar vibe.